Getting content ideas doesn't have to be hard. Most of creators can probably get thousands of them, but not all of those ideas are viable to produce profitable content. Video ideas need to be validated so that you can pick the very best ones, but also structure the ideas or the content in a way that will make it easier for the creator to produce content and rank in search engines. And Contextminds is a very useful app to help content creators or even writers come up with ideas, but also organize, research and pick the very best. But because it is mainly a mind map with some AI functions, using the tool alone might not always give you the best results for a certain topic, and that's why you should also consider combining other tools. So in this video I will tell you what Contextminds is, 11 ways to get video ideas with or without Contextminds itself, how you can validate those ideas, how to research the content ideas and also how to organize them. If you stay until the end, I will also show you how to get the Contextminds lifetime deal, but if at the moment the deal is not available, I will also show you some Contextminds alternatives as well and other software deals that you might be missing on. So stay tuned if you would like to check that out. Hi, I'm Hugo from LongTail.com, and in this video I will show you how to get SEO optimized video ideas with Contextminds. Contextminds is a whiteboard and mind map app to help you find, visualize and organize content ideas. You can easily create topic clusters with AI generated keywords to write your next blog posts, record your videos or create a content framework. You can also see how much volume and competition a specific keyword has, and that data comes from SpyFu, which is a competitive analysis SEO tool at no extra cost. However, of course, this only works well for the most popular keywords, and that's why you should consider also using other solutions, as you will see later on this video. After getting your content ideas in order, you can take notes or save links to use as resources or sources for your own content, or just to help you figure out what makes a good article or a good content asset for a certain topic. So let's start with the first way to get ideas, which is brainstorming, and this is the most basic way of coming up with keywords, topics, subtopics, titles or video ideas. You just start with a single main topic and then keep adding related concepts that come into mind, and you link them to the main topic that should be on the center. To add subtopics to that topic, you can also use the Contextminds AI Suggestions, which makes it much easier to brainstorm because you can get AI suggestions as you build your topic cluster or mind map. So for example, if you click on the topic, you'll get right away a bunch of different ideas, and you can then add a subtopic, and then if you click on that subtopic, it will give you even more ideas, and you can branch out and get more and more ideas for each one of those categories. Another way to get ideas inside of Contextminds is by using the suggested sites or sources. There are always a lot of sources suggested for each one of the concepts you add to your mind map, which typically appear on the left panel. By visiting and reading different articles, you will be able to get more ideas from definitions, outlines, images, videos, lead magnets and much more. You can use the YouTube auto-suggest function by typing words on the YouTube search bar, and then that feature will kick in and you will see different search suggestions. There are multiple ways to use it for your own research, and of course, being that this is completely free, you can start with a main short keyword or one word and then go from A to Z to see what suggestions are available, and later on add longer keywords to see if there are still suggestions for those as well. Adding words such as with, in, on, versus and more can also provide you different suggestions. You can also use tools such as AnswerThePublic or TopicMojo, which allows you to find ideas that may be interesting to your visitor, since some of them use them on Google or are looking to solve a very particular and specific problem by asking specific questions. To use AnswerThePublic or even TopicMojo, all you need to do is enter your main keyword or topic, and you can start getting a ton of suggestions organized in different categories, although not all of them might be relevant to your topic. So in the end, you can download them or export them and then filter through and just delete the ones that don't really matter. And this will usually depend on how broad your topic is and how much content is available on that topic as well. So if you generally type a more broad topic with 1 or 2 words max, you will usually get more ideas. To create successful content, you don't always need to follow the latest trends, but knowing what's currently popping might be very useful, as it might add up to ideas you have found previously. But another way to use tools such as exploding topics is to simply look at trending topics for a certain industry or category and then start from there. It will be very useful to find trending topics and subtopics in your niche. If you get the timing right, you might even have a boost in views. And of course, this will work even better if you combine this with also keywords or topics that still have a lot of volume. Keyword research tools are great to find both ideas and keywords that match your criteria when it comes to competition and search volume. LongTail Pro is an interesting tool that is specifically made to find long-tail keywords, which are much easier to rank most of the time because they have lower competition, but still include the most important main keywords you want to include in your titles. From their keyword research tab, you can use the related keywords and type up to 5 seed phrases per search. If those seed phrases are broad enough, it will find plenty of long tail keywords. If not, it will simply show the metrics for the exact phrases or keywords you just typed. And a lot of times I myself will use this tool by inputting long tail keywords that I have already found myself, either by brainstorming or with other tools, or just mix and match those keywords, because it will be much easier to find low competition keywords that are not always added by the software itself but need some external help. So if you are using other sources to get ideas, you can always run them through the tool to find how hard or easy it will be to rank for them. If you are interested in producing content but also watching YouTube videos yourself, it is most likely that you already got some ideas from related videos or content creators on your niche with similar content. To get ideas from related videos, you can simply search for specific terms on YouTube search, look at the best performing channels on that list, or maybe just start watching your own videos and look to the recommendation section at the right. But of course, you can also go through your own YouTube channel subscriptions. You will want to take a note of them, what they are talking about, what are the topics mentioned or subtopics, but also what are the weaknesses of those videos, if there's something missing that you can add up to your content to make it even more valuable. And of course, you never want to copy paste anyone else's work. If there are any ideas on the video or description, make sure to jot them down. You can also look at competitors' tags using tools such as vidIQ or TubeBuddy, and then there can also be some interesting keywords on those tags, and you might want to add them to your list. The terms used for YouTube tags can also be used as seed keywords on different keyword research tools to find more related keywords, or even with the auto suggest function that I've just talked about. YouTube is a great way to find related content, but so is Google, and you can use the auto suggest function again in Google search, just like you did with the YouTube search, to find ideas. The results will not only give you more ideas, but also provide you with videos that are ranking high in Google search. You may want to take a look at them later on, so make sure to save those links or any important notes. YouTube Studio now has an handy tool under content called research, where you can see what your viewers are looking for in YouTube. It is also possible to filter out those results and also show content gaps only, and this is content that usually has lower competition but still some interest from people who actually watch your videos, which is of course very valuable information, and those are specifically interesting if you want to find low competition ideas. Another great and recent addition are AI tools such as ChatGPT, Niches or WriteCream that will generate content ideas for your topic, title or description using AI. Playing around with those variables will give you tons of content ideas with minimal research work required, but of course you will then want to edit them to make sure that everything is alright. Last but not least are viewer submissions, and these are topics or ideas that your audience can give you through the YouTube comment section, by email, on social media, and you should never waste those and always keep them in mind or put them on a list to use later on a new video. Make sure to also take notes when subscribers tell you what to improve in your videos or what they would like to see on your channel. Researching video ideas is a useful step to get more ideas, but also when you go read and watch other videos or blog posts to learn the information yourself so that you can later on create your own content. On your Contextminds mind map, you can add these sources as notes or drag them from the panel on the right to your map, or of course you can always add other external links or notes as well. While reading or looking at existing content for inspiration, make sure to keep adding new concepts, relevant keywords and definitions to your map. That way it will be much easier to produce content and come up with more ideas. Taking SEO KPIs or metrics into account is also a good idea, and those can again be added as notes if they are not already present. Later you can also revisit your maps to select the most promising ideas. Now that you know that there are a ton of ways to get ideas and tools you can use to get them, you have already nailed one of the first steps, but that alone is not enough. It is very hard to just record videos about each one of the ideas without any overlap or repeating yourself. So what you need to do now is pick the most promising ideas that fit your brand identity or what you are trying to achieve with your channel. Some of the tools mentioned previously, such as LongTail Pro and Exploding Topics, can also be used to validate your content ideas, or just combine that information and then see or try to gauge how well a video will perform. But you can also use other tools that allow you to do the same. What you want is to try and somehow measure or predict how much interest a topic might have from a user's point of view. What you want is to try and predict how much interesting a topic will be for a viewer who's watching your video. When it comes to metrics, there are two main metrics that you can use to sort and choose your best content ideas, which are the search volume that you can get from your keyword tool and topic interest, which you can get from Exploding Topics, Google Trends, or even social listening, where you can catch some topic ideas also from hashtags, from Twitter, and so on, depending on the platform that you are using. You should also consider keyword competition and also your subject evaluation of a topic, or how you think it will perform given your performance on similar videos. Those videos that actually cover the same or related topic perform well in your channel in terms of views, likes and overall interaction or not. But you can also use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to take a look at the competition, volume and overall score, because they are better for YouTube ranking specific data, although not always accurate. When it comes to organizing ideas in the whole research process as a whole, some people like to go back and forth while others like more methodical approaches, but it is up to you to decide how to do it. I usually add the ideas first and then validate them, pick the very best and start the research process. One of the easiest ways to go about it is to follow a topic cluster structure, starting with a main topic at the center and then linking other subtopics surrounding the main topic. Then on each subtopic you can add related concepts or even keywords you find for them. It is very beneficial to follow this structure if you are, for example, writing blog posts, because you can write different articles for those subtopics and then link all of them to the central topic, which would be a pillar page that talks more broadly about the main topic and therefore rank higher. Similarly, with video, you can also produce multiple videos to tackle subtopics and then rank 3 or 4 videos for that main keyword or topic instead of just one video appearing when some someone searches for a long tail keyword. But you can also link those videos, which are the subtopics, in a video description, or put them all in a playlist, and those playlists will also get found by people who are searching through YouTube or even Google. Another benefit is that it also makes it easier to batch similar content where you can reuse the same graphics, footage, or other elements. Now you should be able to get a lot of different content ideas and pick which ones will perform the best on your YouTube channel. You can get an exclusive Contextminds lifetime deal on AppSumo, but it might have already expired by the time you are watching this video. If that's the case, you can still try it for free and create up to 3 mind maps with a free Contextminds account. The information on this video about getting video ideas can also be applied with other apps or software. There are other apps on AppSumo such as Poda or Vima that can also help you do the same thing, or you can also use other whiteboard apps such as Miro or others. You can also use Notion to structure your content research and manage all your work for that matter. There are plenty of great Notion templates such as the Content OS from Landmark Labs that make everything easier, and even some free Notion templates as well on their website. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more useful digital marketing apps and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.